Hey guys, this is Shan from Shan ZenZen Jamaican Vibes, and welcome back to my vlog channel. Remember to like, share and subscribe my vlog channel. This is the early morning. Yes, it's early in the morning, and I came to look at my sweet potatoes. And just please ignore the person in the background. It's a young man, but he is losing his mind. And so in the early mornings, me don't know him just curse a lot. Alright? So as you can see, we planted some banana suckers and some plantain suckers. And we have the cocoa that you all know that I had before. We have the pumpkin over here. Sweet potato looking ravish. And down here, my pumpkin. I think the frost is messing with the pumpkin. So I'm going to have to spray it with the organic fertilizer. Yeah. And over here, my melon running. Alright. As you can see, there's actually a blossom on the melon already. And guys, I just love to come on the sweet potato farm in the morning because it just looks so beautiful and green and fluffy. Alright, so let's continue. I tried my best, guys, to record, but now I have to do a voiceover because the young man who is crazy in the background was cursing pure bad word, aka curse words. And so I had to just turn on the volume and do a voiceover. So I'm just going to tell you what exactly you're looking at. Alright, so we're going to head down to the bottom of the farm. And the sweet potato, as you can see, is looking so beautiful and green. The vine is just running all over the place and it's completely covered. Here's the carrot. The carrots are not bursting as yet because we need some rain. We need some water. I intend to get a black drum, but I can't afford one right now because I'm focusing on trying to get my van. So I can't afford a black drum. But a black drum would really help at this time because it really does need some water. I think what I'm going to have to do is buy like a truck of water and let the truck man come and wet it for me. And that is pretty costly as well. So we're gonna go over to the other side. Sweet potato blooming, beautiful flowers. And those two sweet potatoes are a new variety that I wanted to try out. Alright, so there you can see I have sweet cassava planted. Those are sweet cassava sticks. A pumpkin there. And that's another pumpkin over there. And over here we have my melon running, and it's also blossoming too. Alright, we're gonna look at the dashings because the dashings have water, but it's dry. It's a dry time now. You can see more sweet cassava stick as well. So these are the dashings, but they're slowly striving because of the lack of water. Quite a few died because dashings do love water. I think if we get 2 good showers of rain, they will just strive. And as you can see, I have a gentleman over there cleaning the land. So when Scotty comes, you won't have that problem. You know, he'll just get to work the land. So he's clearing all the debris off the land. And then now tomorrow I have somebody coming to cut down most of the trees. Alright guys, now for the unboxing of some items for the farm. Today I'm unboxing a few gifts from subscribers, and most of these are gifts for my farm, because as you know, I am a farmer. Alright, so let me begin with this one. This one was given to me as a gift from a subscriber in Florida. Big up and thank you very much for this gift. I actually used it yesterday. I wanted to unbox it before I use it, but I used it yesterday, and it's actually a battery weed whacker. So this weed whacker uses a battery, and this is what it looks like. So it has like a stretchy ring right here, and it's able to fold in two. And this is how it looks. As you can see, I was using it. Alright. So it comes with this battery, which you have to charge, and after it's fully charged, it can run up to 45 minutes. And it also came along with this. So this is how it's charged. You place it in here, and you plug it in, and you charge it. So this weed whacker is a battery weed whacker. It also comes with this cover, which I had removed, and it's a cobalt weed whacker. It's, as I said, I personally have used it already, and it's very good. Thanks once more to the subscriber who sent me this weed whacker. Thank you very much to Renell in Florida for sending me this weed whacker. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Because with the farm, like, it helps a lot to just cut away the bushes whenever they start to grow. Just go in, like with the sweet potato you can't really do that, but with the other crops that I'll be farming and the lands that I'm preparing, this will really help. It's already helping, as a matter of fact. So thanks for thinking of me and sending me this weed whacker. Okay, now I received this package a couple of days ago, and the person don't want their name to be mentioned, but I am going to open it right now. You can see it's sealed. Okay, I have no idea what it is. I just know that I got it, and I am grateful. Okay, so this is a little clover 5-gallon lap window growing bags. Oh, so these are actually growing bags. I saw some video with these, so I think you can grow, like, you know, you can grow strawberries, carrots and stuff like that in this growing bag. Oh, very, very nice. So I think you can put, it's a 5-gallon, so you can grow it and you can actually, oh, you can open this section and look at your whatever you have planted, whether it's some sweet potato, you know, carrots. You can see the bottom, the root, once you open this section. Oh, very, very nice. I've seen it, I've seen it in videos, so it's really going to be nice to test it out. And it has these air holes at the bottom, you know, for drainage or when you water the plants. Okay, very, very nice. So these are plant grower bags or planter bags. It's my first time using something like this. I'm going to be using something like this, so I really want to see how it works. I can't even figure out how to fold it back, but I think, let me see how much is in here. Okay, so I see how it's folded. 1, 2, 3, 4 grower bags. So thank you very, very much, all right, to that person who sent me. And these are all items for my farm except for this one. Alright, so this is actually a tripod, a very professional tripod. Drop control grip. It's called Solidex Ultimate Performance for Video in Action. Excellent series. So this is my brand new tripod, and I want to say thank you so very much to Miss Clover in Canada for sending me this as a belated birthday gift. Alright, she sent it quite some time now, but I'm just receiving it. Yeah. So this is a very, very nice tripod, and there's some, I'm going to have to learn about this tripod. I'm going to have to learn about it. Okay, so it has some, I'm going to have to figure it out. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Love it. Very convenient because I didn't have one. I have a tripod but nothing like this. So thank you so much, because the weed whacker does come in very handy. The planter bags too, because now I can actually plant stuff for my personal use in the planter bags, like my strawberry, my carrots, my sweet pepper, my Irish potato, and my sweet pepper, because that's what I think I'll be planting in the planter bags. Alright, and it comes in this bag that is very easy to walk with, very easy to carry around, and it's actually not heavy at all. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share my vlog channel. Catch you in my next vlog.